Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best indoor herb garden kit that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Growled Plant Grow Light. If you are into futuristic or minimalistic modern indoor decorations, this might be the perfect one for you. The TKL-FMG-GR014S model from Growled has a clean white design, with a boxy structure. It also has round edges and safe electrical output, making this much safer for children to touch. The overall size of this product is not very large. It can hold up to 3 small square pots of plants or a single long rectangular pot. This indoor herb garden kit model is designed to help grow small succulents, flowers, herbs and vegetables. With its high-quality 4000K LED, it illuminates in a comfortable cool light with flickering and promotes photosynthesis. Furthermore, it is also integrated with an automatic smart light feature. This allows the garden kit's LED to remain on for 16 hours and 8 hours. Moving on at number 4, we have Aerogarden Bounty Indoor Hydroponic Herb Garden. Moving on we have the Indoor Herb Garden Kit from Aerogarden, the Bounty. The Bounty comes in 4 different design versions: black, white, elite and basic. It is smart through and through. This product is able to connect with Alexa or Wi-Fi, which allows you to control the 3-step water level indicator and other functions. The Bounty is fairly large and allows more space for you to plant. Its interior is designed to grow a maximum of 9 plants healthily, including vegetables and herbs. The sunlight simulated LED feeds your plant with the perfect spectrum of light and can automatically turn its light on and off. On top of that, the Bounty also comes with the 9-pod gourmet herb seed pod kit from Aerogarden upon purchase. This kit includes a season's worth of their non-GMO seeds and liquid plant food. At number 3, we have Mindful Design LED Indoor Herb Garden. This model of garden kit is suitable for growing all small plants, including succulents, flowers, vegetables and herbs. It is designed for compact spaces, such as the windowsill, counters, display tables, etc. It is made from sturdy plastic material, which has an overall white color, and does not need any screw to assemble. Each piece of the kit is designed to attach to one another and stay connected until removed. Furthermore, the LED window herb garden features a 4000 LK LED, which illuminates cool and bright light at 850 lumens. Its LED is designed to simulate sunlight and help plants grow healthily. Additionally, this indoor garden kit also comes with an automatic timer. Its smart timer allows it to stay on for 16 hours and off for 8 hours. At number 2, we have Torchstar Plant Grow LED Light Kit. The next indoor herb garden kit on our recommendation list is from Torchstar, the JCM-NGDL14W40. This product is similar to the product above, albeit an alternative price. This modern white garden kit comes with compatibility for all plant types, bright LED and a smart timer. Its light feature is built with 22 LED bulbs, which illuminates in 850 lumens and casts white light in 4000K with 95 ultra-high 95 Cre. The smart timer helps with making sure the lights will turn on when the sun sets and off when the sun rises. These 2 features contribute to lessening the household energy consumption, and making sure your plants are well fed. The JCM-NGDL14W40 was also designed to be convenient during both the time of usage and assembly process. The assembly process does not need any screw. The construction can be built by simply stacking and locking each piece together. And finally at number 1. VegBox Hydroponics Growing System. The VBasket has a basket-like design, with a blunt square handle and rounded body part. With fully grown greens and colorful vegetables in it, this basket brings the soilless culture to a cuter level. The VBasket has 7 plant holes, where you can simply drop your seeds into and watch them grow all year round. Underneath the plant pots, there is a large 1.65L water tank that keeps your plants hydrated. Due to this substantial water tank, you only need to add more water into the basket once every 2 weeks. And to do this, you can straightforwardly pour water into the basket. The 360 degrees wraparound water injection hole will make sure to minimize as much liquid spillage as possible. Above all that, the VBasket features a dual times lamp breed LED that can illuminate sufficient light onto your plants. Its LED also has a built-in 4-in-1 light technology, which transmits the IR, red, blue and green light to the lamp bread, and helps protect our eyes and skin from blue and UV lights. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.